Dear audiences, this amazing, perfect events going on. Now we are at the Indonesia country. Please, could you introduce yourself a little?
Hello, my name is Aurora.
And my name is Racha.
You are from?
We are from Indonesia.
Indonesia. Welcome, Indonesia.
Thank you so much.
Now I have watched at the concert. You danced amazing. You danced perfect. Could you explain me some interesting places? It's very interesting, really different.
Yeah, actually the songs we just mix combined with from city to another city. And for the first time, my friends will explain it about your dance.
So I dance Betawi dance. It's from Jakarta, which means like Java Island. And the dance itself, it's about the woman who is independently strong, but at the same time is elegant and powerful.
Oh, it means the strongest of some women.
Yeah.
And also there is another songs which is that we are dance together with the people.
Yes, all together.
Yes,
yeah.
this song is coming from the Ambon, like another island. And the song is about the beautiful woman, the sweet girls that who gets energy, positive energy to make people happy. And that's why we call everyone to dance together with us.
So now I guess that most your traditional dance describes about women, only women, or about men also.
Actually, it's about anything. It depends on the songs and it depends on which cultures. Because Indonesia, we have so many cultures. Like we have 7,000 islands, and also we
7,000
islands, and we have 700 ethical local languages, which is I know only 6 language.
Oh, can you say in your own language dancing? Let's dance.
Let's dance.
Let's dance in your.
Menari. Mari menari.
Mari min mari.
Menari.
Mari min
Or
manari.
you can
Oh my
say,
God.
How are you, Nasilson? In Turkish, you can say apa kabar.
Apa haber? Ay, it's very nice, really nice. I so liked your dancing, perfect, very perfect performance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much that you are in all these event participations. Your food's also very I like your juice.
Oh, yeah.
It's in the hot time. It's very good to drink. It's juice or it's soup. What does it mean? It's a sweet thing. So
It came from the infused pandan leaves and sugar. Yeah.
there is
and
some
milk.
several fruits as I eat.
Yeah.
Exactly.
There is in Turkey I don't eat such kinds of fruit.
But you can find in Indonesia every day because in
Really?
Indonesia we have only 2 weather, which is like raining and sunny.
What's
Or
the
maybe
special-
3.
There was a fruit something like jelly, like dancing in the soup.
It's like a jelly, yeah.
Yeah. Is it
yeah.
fruit?
Buah naga, like dragon
A
fruit.
dragon fruit.
Actually, it's a
Dragon fruit.
fruit, yeah.
The
Green.
purple one,
Brown.
the brown.
Purple I know, it's a
bubble?
dragon fruit.
Bubble.
Brown as a coffee.
Is it like
color.
circle?
No.
Yeah, chendol,
Cube,
chendol.
cube.
Oh, chendol.
We call it chendol. It's like a jelly.
Chinchou maybe.
Chinchou, yes,
Is
chinchou.
it fruit? Is it also fruit?
It's like a jelly, but it's a local jelly. Like
It came from the leaves.
the leaves of the.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Yeah.
It's Indonesian lips here?
Yeah.
Oh, you have
It's,
taken here in Turkey.
Actually, we sent it from Indonesia directly to Turkey, just special for the Medipol International Day.
Yeah.
Can you find all fruits that Indonesian fruits can you find in Turkey also? Is it possible?
I'm sorry, it cannot, right?
Cannot.
No?
Yeah. We have durian. We,
We have so many
blimbing, yeah, we have so many
blimbing,
things, but we couldn't find it here. Maybe it's because it's only grown in the tropical.
Tropical age.
Tropical.
So you can find it in Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, but you cannot find it in Turkey.
Peki, how you find out the Turkey culture? Did you adapt Turkey? How is it normal, or you have some difficulty eating food? How you find?
First of all, it was really hard, right, for the language, right? For
Yeah.
us, it's so hard language. But we get used to because we always hang out with Turkish friends and mostly Turkish international friends. They do speak Turkish as well, so we kind of like learn each other. Yeah.
perfect.
Also for the food, I think it's adaptable.
Adaptable,
Yeah.
Especially because we are Indonesian, mostly we eat spicy foods, and in Turkey we couldn't find spicy that much as like in Indonesia, so we can eat anything here.
Do you have bread also similar to Turkish bread?
We usually eat rice.
Rice.
In order bread you
In order bread. Yeah. We eat rice.
3 times
We
in a
love
day. We love rice.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, we also terima kasih.
Thank you so much Medipol University, and thank you so much Al Azin Consulting.
Thank you so much Indonesia, and thank you so much Medipol.
Terima kasih.
Al Azin Consulting.